Hey everyone, I'm Nuri and I'm so excited for you to see today's video. I'm going to share with you guys a couple of items that I recently picked up from the big box stores and how I plan on using these in my home for springtime. Spring is right around the corner and I'm excited to decorate my home for spring, and I did purchase a couple of new items from the big box stores and thought today I would share with you guys what I picked up. I've been to Michael's, Target, and Home Goods so far, and Home Goods sister stores, and I loved everything they had out. I didn't record any of that footage for today's video. Maybe I'll go back and do a shop with me video for you guys soon. I liked a lot of the decor they had out for springtime. Here I'm trying to be mindful and just not bring so much decor home and just buy pieces that I truly love. I just picked up one or two things from each of the store. So let me share with you guys what I got from Michael's first. The only thing that I picked up from Michael's for spring this year so far are these florals. They remind me of wildflowers, and the prices on these stems are so affordable. They were, I hope I don't drop these. These were $4.99 each, and currently their spring line is 40% off. And I bought these the week of President's Day weekend, and they had additional 25% off all items. So I got these stems for $2.24 each. I picked up 4 stems. I might have to go back and pick up 2 more. When I put it inside a vase, I felt like it wasn't full enough, so I might go back and pick up 2 more stems. Drawn to these purple color florals. They're almost like a light lavender color, and they look very realistic to me. I really don't like to use bright color flowers for springtime, so I will use like white tulips and white hydrangeas. I think about using these in my kitchen. If not, I might use these in my dining room. Michael's had these beautiful cabbage leaf bowls and plates, and I wanted to pick them up so badly. Fall time, I picked up the artichoke shape plates and bowl, and I felt they were too similar and I didn't have no purpose for them other than just picking up something because it looks beautiful, so I passed on those. But if you like those things, I will have it linked for you in my shop so you guys could check those out too. Target also recently bought out their spring line, and they have this cabbage teapot. I also have this teacup and saucer. It was so pretty, and it's all under $10. I am so tempted to get the teacup and the saucer, but I'm trying to be good and not pick up anything else that I don't need. The only item that I picked up from Target from their spring line is this pillow. This pillow is from Studio McGee's spring line. I really like the muted color green. If you look closer, it has like this teal color stem that runs through it, and that's what I really like about it. It's very subtle, and I like this color for springtime. I actually like using green in my home all year round. That's like my go-to color. Green and brown are my go-to color in my home. So this pillow just fits right in with my decor. This pillow was for $25, and I bought this online. This pillow keeps coming in and out of stock. If you really like this pillow, put a notify me button on for Target and it'll let you know when the pillow's back in stock. This is the fabric on the other side. It's very soft. The insert inside is not that good quality, so I might change out the insert for a bigger pillow. So this pillow looks more full, but right now I still have the label on. I'm not ready to style for spring yet. Maybe in the next 2 weeks I'll start once I get my house back in order. How pretty this pillow looks on this couch right here. I think I'm gonna pair this with a solid color pillow and just let this be the star right here. I'm not sure, just gonna have to play around with it, but this is what it looks like. All right, the next couple of items that I got is they're from Home Goods and their sister stores. And I already shared one of the items with you guys when I shared my Valentine's Day Decorate With Me video. But I got this portable cordless lamp from Marshall's for $8. You just touch the button right here and it turns it on, and it has different light settings. I thought I would share with you guys a closer look at this lamp. So the top has this gold, it's like almost like a brass look, and then on the bottom it has these little ridges. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, I think it's so pretty, and it's not like clear. I have similar lamps like this linked on my Like to Know It shop. Next, I got this magnifying glass from Home Goods. This one was $6. And it looks like a bamboo handle, but it's not real bamboo. It's made out of like those resin material. It's not really wood or anything. And then it has gold that goes around it. This item I found at the checkout lanes, so you're not gonna find this at the regular home decor section. I mainly bought this for styling reasons, but I've always wanted a magnifying glass in our home, and I thought for $6 that was a great purchase. The last item that I got from Home Goods and their sister store is this stool right here. So the stool does have a couple of scratches around it, and original this one was $25, but because the stool had so many scratches on it, hold on, if you can see, they have like, so it has like a couple of scratches on the side. Because the stool has a couple of scratches on the side, they marked it down for $20. If you ever find decor piece that you like at Home Goods or their sister stores like Marshall's and TJ Maxx, take it to the register and ask them if they'll give you a discount. They'll give you between a 10 to 20% discount depending on how bad the damage is on the item. Since this one wasn't that bad, they gave only $5 off, which I thought was great because I actually don't mind the little scratches. It makes it look more vintage, and I've been wanting a stool like this forever. So I'm so happy I found one. They have this label as a plant stand. I don't think I'm going to use this as a plant stand. I'm going to use this as an accent table, just right next to a sofa. So that way I can put my coffee down when I'm drinking and just put some books. Also, hold on. I could also do this. And then create a little mood lighting right next to the sofa. And the last item I'm going to share with you guys, they're not really from the big box stores, they're from Etsy, are these digital prints that I got printed from my local pharmacy. I just wanted to share with you guys the artwork that I plan on using in my home for springtime. So the first one is this picture of pears next to a picture. I'm going to definitely use this one in my breakfast nook. Let me show you guys a closer look at this one. This is like 8x10 print. When you get the digital prints from Etsy, you could, after you purchase it, you could print them any size you want. But I decided to get a small size because most of my frames I have at home, they're 8x10. So I'm going to use this in my breakfast nook for springtime. I might just use this art print by itself, or I might get another art print. I'm not sure yet. And then here's the other one, just a nature photo print. I like the mustard yellow color leaves right here, and the dry grass is also like a light yellow. I also really love art print with water. I'm not really sure why, but I'm really drawn to art print that has water and a little tree. That's like my favorite combo. And the last one I got, it's this floral one right here. I already did Mod Podge to this one, if you can see. And this reminds me of the art print that currently is out at Target from Studio McGee. They're selling a similar one, a small size, for $12, and I thought this one looked so similar. And I don't really like to purchase art prints. Well, no, I don't really like to purchase wall art because they get bulky having so much at home. So I like to purchase digital art print, and I like to switch them out for the different seasons. Thanks so much for hanging with me today. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I'll see you guys soon for another video. Bye for now.